Now going to question 18, we always start with the prompt. And here, the prompt is telling us that this is a grammar question. So let's read with an eye toward grammar. This person from NASA studies data about Saturn's rings collected by this spacecraft when she made an interesting discovery. So reading onward, it kind of sounds like what they're saying is this person was studying data when she made this discovery. And the discovery was that the tiny moons embedded between the rings are shaped by the buildup of ring material on the moon's surface. So let's just quickly review colons. For the colon, the first part is independent. The second part is anything that describes the first part. Anything meaning it could be a single word or it could be as much as a full independent clause. And so this colon fits. The blue part is an independent clause. The orange part is something describing the blue part. But kind of seeing the overall shape of this whole thing makes it more obvious of how the story was being told. This person was in the process of studying the data when she made that discovery. And here's the discovery. So present tense wouldn't work. Future tense wouldn't work. And D sounds really good. But let's talk about why we would use the word has in this situation. So there are two reasons why you would kind of randomly see the words have, has, and had being inserted into a sentence. The first is if there are two events at different moments in the past. In that case, the older one gets the word had. For instance, I was upset that we lost the game because we had practiced a lot. Now, this is optional if there's another word that tells us which one was the older of the two events. The second reason is if something started in the past and is still going on. For instance, I tutored for 15 years versus I have tutored for 15 years. The second one means I'm still tutoring. So if we're here and we're judging, well, is there a reason to include that? You would ask yourself, are there two events that happened at different moments and we're hearing which one was the older of the two? That's not the case here. And is there something that started in the past and is still going on? That's not the way it's being discovered. We're just hearing about something that happened. This person was studying when she made an interesting discovery. So the answer here is D.